Hi everyone, straight away to the board. It's surprising, it's amazing, it's incredible, it's unbelievable, it's remarkable, it's astounding. In this video, we are going to study the reading skill, the listening skill, with some good comments to use when you're chatting. I have written these words separately, you can see. In my previous videos I taught you about content words, function words, word stress, sentence stress. In this we are going to use them and practice. This one, when you take the word surprising, here is the word stress. This part only is stress. We are giving the weight on this part. So, it's pricing, it's pricing, it's pricing, it's pricing, it's pricing, it's surprising, it's surprising, it's surprising, it's surprising. We can hear only this part, pricing, it's pricing. This part is going in the middle. See, it's pricing, it's surprising, it's surprising, it's surprising, it's surprising, it's surprising. It's surprising. Not it's surprising. It's surprising. This one. It's amazing. 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 It's credible. It's credible. It's credible. It's incredible. It's incredible. It's incredible. It's incredible. It's incredible. It's incredible. It's believable. It's believable. It's believable. It's believable. It's believable. It's unbelievable. 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 It's markable. It's markable. It's markable. It's markable. It's markable. It's remarkable. It's remarkable. It's remarkable. It's remarkable. It's remarkable. It's remarkable. It's astounding. 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 We can hear when native speakers speak only this part. It's surprising. It's surprising. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's incredible. It's incredible. It's incredible. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. It's remarkable. It's remarkable. It's remarkable. It's astounding. It's astounding. It's astounding. Now you might be thinking, what are the meanings of these sentences? It's surprising, it's amazing, it's incredible, it's unbelievable, it's remarkable, it's astounding. You must not study them one by one. You just take the usage. Where can be used these sentences? All these sentences can be used to express your surprise. When you are surprised, you can use any of them. Wow, it's surprising. Wow, it's amazing. Wow, it's incredible. Wow, it's unbelievable. Wow, it's remarkable. Wow, it's astounding. Any of these can be used when you are surprised. If you want to study this language, please try to use this language. Okay, just studying. If you think that I can use this at the end of my studies, that is a myth. You can do that. I'll give you some examples to understand this. You take, there are two people, right? Both are studying to play the guitar. One is studying accurately, he attends classes regularly, he is doing all the things at home, right? He is doing all the theory accordingly. There's another one starting at the same time, the same class. This one also is very enthusiastic, like the other one. But this one is a bit different. At the beginning, he studies only 2 chords, right? That means only very little knowledge. With these 2 chords, he looks for some songs that he can sing. He knows only a little music, but he starts singing. 2 chords, that means very little knowledge. Now he can sing about 4 songs nicely. He practices. When he gets together with his friends, with his family members, neighbors, relatives, he starts singing. Now people come to know that this person can sing. Now he's got the motivation, automatical motivation. When he's among his friends at the leisure time, they ask, all right, let's sing a song, bring your guitar with you. Okay? Then, now he keeps singing. Interestingly, happily, the feedback is there. Everyone admires. After some times, but he keeps studying. After some times he feels, well, now wherever I go I sing the same song. I have to change. Now he adds another chord. Now he knows 3 chords. Okay? Now he can add more songs. Only a little knowledge, but he is using. Now he's been pushed by the society. Wherever he goes, they ask, let's sing, bring your guitar with you. What about the other one? He also studying, he also improving his knowledge, but he has the stage fear. He's afraid. He thinks, oh my God, I might make mistakes. I'd be embarrassed to start with one. Other people might be laughing at me. So my dear students, if you want to study this language, be like the person who starts singing with 2 songs. Don't worry about your knowledge. Don't worry about mistakes. Making mistakes in studying a language is quite natural. Everybody is doing that. This is not our first language, right? So we have to be proud with the little knowledge. Alright, this is my second language. That means I know 2 languages right now. Don't worry. If you want to ride a bicycle, you go to get on the bike. Start riding. You are falling. You are enjoying yourself. Don't worry. If you want to swim, you have to go and get into the water. Just stay near the water and trying to swim is not possible. That is impossible. If you want to study, just get into the water and start swimming. If you want to speak this language, you have to start with the knowledge you have. I'll teach you how to do that. Alright, now let's see. It's enjoyable. It's appealing. It's attractive. It's enjoyable. It's enjoyable. It's enjoyable. It's enjoyable. It's enjoyable. It's enjoyable. This is not N, that is pronounced as in. It's enjoyable. It's enjoyable. It's enjoyable. It's appealing. 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 It's attractive. It's attractive. It's attractive. It's attractive. It's attractive. It's attractive. Let's read. It's enjoyable. It's appealing. It's attractive. I have separated these words to show that in these words, the word stress is over here. I haven't done any separation in these words. That means the word stress is at the beginning. We are not going to change anything in this. This is not interesting. This one is dropping. This syllable is pronounced as trust. Interesting. 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 Letter E is there, but we don't pronounce it. Interesting. Charming. Charming. Satisfying. Satisfying. It's interesting. It's charming. It's satisfying. Listen again. It's enjoyable. It's appealing. It's attractive. It's interesting. It's charming. It's satisfying. Where do we use these things? Pleasure. Pleasure means happiness. Attraction. Attraction. You're pleased. You're happy. You're glad. right? Something is there, you're happy to see that. So you're attracted. You're happy to see something. Wow, you're very happy. When you're happy, you can use any of this. It's enjoyable. It's appealing. It's attractive. Yes, it's really attractive. It's interesting. It's interesting. It's charming. It's satisfying. When you're happy, when you're attracted, use any of this. Alright, the next set. These words, tremendous, terrific, impressive, awesome, brilliant, excellent. Right? Let's do like this. It's tremendous. 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 It's terrific. 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 It's impressive. 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 Awesome. Brilliant. Excellent. In these, the word is at the beginning. Awesome. Brilliant. Excellent. Tremendous. Terrific. Impressive. Awesome. Brilliant. Excellent. It's tremendous. It's terrific. It's impressive. It's awesome. It's brilliant. It's excellent. Alright, where do you use this? You want to say something is good. You want to admire something for admiration. Say, wow, it's tremendous. You say something beautiful. You say, it's terrific. It's impressive. It's awesome. It's brilliant. It's excellent. Next one. I'm extremely grateful to you. I'm much obliged to you. This one, extremely. Here the word says, extremely. You're grateful. Grateful. I'm extremely grateful to you. I'm extremely grateful to you. This one, not obliged. 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 I'm much obliged to you. I'm much obliged to you. I'm much obliged to you. I'm extremely grateful to you. I'm much obliged to you. In these, we are going to show how thankful you are to someone. Just instead of saying thank you very much, thanks a lot, you can use them. You are showing your gratitude. How grateful, how helpful they have been to you. Alright? So, I'm extremely grateful to you. I'm much obliged to you. Okay, that's enough for now. I'm coming as quick as possible.